As of August 2025, there is no direct way to transfer your DoorDash earnings to Cash App. DoorDash doesn't have a direct integration with Cash App. However, there are several workaround methods you can use to transfer your earnings. Let me show you the three most common approaches. The most common method involves transferring your DoorDash earnings to your linked bank account first, either through Dasher Direct or a traditional bank transfer, and then transferring the money from your bank account to Cash App. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Another option is to use the Dasher Direct Visa card, which provides instant payouts. You can add this card to Cash App as a funding source and transfer funds from the card to your Cash App balance. This method is typically instant to 1 business day. You can also use third-party payment apps like Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle as intermediary platforms. These may offer faster processing than traditional banks, usually taking 1 to 2 business days. While none of these methods provide direct integration, they offer practical solutions for transferring your DoorDash earnings to Cash App. Choose the method that best fits your timeline and preferences. To maximize efficiency when transferring your DoorDash earnings to Cash App, there are several key optimization strategies you should implement. First, consider setting up Dasher Direct for the fastest access to your earnings. This specialized card provides instant payouts without fees. Next, link your bank account to both DoorDash and Cash App platforms. This creates a seamless bridge for transferring funds between the services. Plan your transfers around Cash App's processing schedules and monitor fees carefully. Timing your transfers can save money and reduce waiting periods. Industry trends show significant changes coming to the gig economy payment landscape. Real-time payment adoption is growing rapidly among delivery platforms. Experts predict a 60% chance of direct DoorDash to Cash App integration by 2026. This would eliminate the need for workaround methods. Emerging technologies like blockchain solutions and unified payment platforms may offer new instant transfer options, revolutionizing how gig workers access their earnings. Security should always be your top priority when transferring earnings. Follow these essential practices to protect your financial information. By implementing these optimization strategies, staying informed about industry trends, and maintaining strong security practices, you can efficiently and safely manage your DoorDash to Cash App transfers.